Welcome back to Cooking Explorer. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make bread rolls. It's super easy and super soft. Let's go to the video. First of all, we have to activate the yeast. So I have taken 1 teaspoon of yeast, 3 teaspoons of sugar and 120 ml of warm water. Mix it and leave for 20 minutes. Take 250 grams of flour, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of milk powder and an egg. Mix all together. Now we are going to add the activated yeast. Add the yeast little at a time and mix together. The dough will be a little bit sticky. No worries. At last, we are going to add 42 grams of butter. Let's keep this around 30 minutes to double the dough. After 30 minutes, remove the air bubbles and knead the dough. Divide the dough into 8 equal portions. Spread the dough and you can fill with any stuffing. I have used here chicken stuffings. And fold like this. Make whatever shapes you like. Place in a butter grease tray. Keep this around 20 minutes. Give a good egg wash. At the meantime, preheat the oven around 10 minutes to 170 Celsius degrees and bake around 25 to 35 minutes. Bread rolls are ready. Hope you guys enjoy my video today. If you like my video, give a thumb up, share with your friends, comment me your experience and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Turn on your bell button to get more notifications.